welcome back to my channel. So I am back with my yearly videos that I am the most irregular person on YouTube. For those who didn't know, this is my sister. The actual bloodshed sister. This video is about Guess the Chips challenge, where we have to guess the chips that we are eating. The procedure is very simple. We'll be blindfolded with these. My mom, who's behind the camera, is going to come and give us the chips. First we eat it and then we tap. Whoever taps first gets to answer it. You get 1 point. In case the person does not answer, the other one gets a chance to answer. There are 10 chips in total that we have to guess. I had asked my dad to choose, so I am not sure what are going to come.
Used all the family members for this challenge.
Now the criteria of getting a point is that first you have to guess the name of the brand right of the chips. You have to guess it right. And the second one is that I did not eat chips for 2 years, so I don't know the new flavors that have come, and I don't know if my dad chose new flavors or not, so we don't know. And she does not live here, so she doesn't know the new flavors here. In case we don't know the actual name of the chips, you can just tell the flavor. You can describe the flavor and still you'd get a point. But you have to get the brand's name right. Okay.
No need of the flavor, right?
No, flavor is also important. You have to tell the name in which is there. Okay. That's it. It's very simple. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm destroying the whole thing. I can tell with the sound.
What sound?
The sound that she just poured. Only one you have to give. You don't have to give 2, 1.
Yes, Rachna. Tell.
Lays. It's a kettle cooked chips.
What?
Can I take one more bite?
Yeah, you can. Dude, it's not Lays.
It's lime and something.
No.
Mummy, correct? No? Okay. Lays.
Yes.
I got that right. I said Lays.
Yeah, but you're supposed to tell the flavor also, no? Is it
Yes.
Lays? I think it's the wafer one. Chili, sour and chili?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Then what is it? Okay, open.
Chili is okay.
See, I
What
told
style?
half right. We can see now. I told chili. I told chili. Wafer style.
Wafer, right?
I told wafer also, right?
Wafer
So I
style.
get a point. Huh? I thought this was like another brand.
No, this is how kettle cooked Lays is.
We don't have that here.
Harder, yeah.
We don't have kettle cooked here. I won the first round. This is the second one.
Self-declaration.
I did win.
Sure.
It was chili. Dude, I told you can tell the flavor also. You told lemon, which is not right.
I could taste something sour.
Okay.
No, I didn't get it.
2, 1.
I've been there.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah,
Tell them.
Bingo.
Flavor.
Mad angles.
Flavor.
I thought mad angles is flavor.
No.
No, there's a flavor, right? Like lemon chili.
Some pickle.
Yes.
Woo-hoo.
What is it? Achari.
Achar.
It's
Same
achari.
pickle.
Yeah, pickle. Okay, so you get a point.
You
Wait. No.
తీస్తలేను నేను.
Okay. I don't cheat, okay? I never cheat. Everyone in this family knows that I'm the most honest person in this house. Most honest
Yeah, we
Not
loot people.
cheating.
I go steal with him.
in games. I'm talking about
I
games.
never cheated. Did you ever catch me cheat?
I cannot confirm or deny that statement.
You didn't catch me, so I
Oh,
never
I
cheated.
got
Time at which we are recording this video, I have a flight to catch in the next 2 hours.
Let's see. No, you can't cheat. No, you can't. I already know. Recording.
Yes.
How did you see?
I'm just.
Are you not closing your eyes? Okay. Race. sour and chili. Sweet and chili.
There's nothing called sweet
No.
and chili.
No.
Hmm?
Wrong. Rachna.
Oh shit, I know this. Stop munching like that. She's eating.
I don't. It's Lay's.
Wrong.
What? It's not Lay's. It's sour cream.
No. Both are
Sour onion. Sour garlic.
Dude, it is sour. It is sour and onion.
No.
It's the green one, Lace.
Call.
Okay, we are opening.
Bingo.
But Akka gets a point in this. Because it is sour and onion.
No, bingo idi.
I told
You can-
onion.
Okay, so she
Onion
can.
ఇది మొత్తం
She told sour and onion.
But flavor
కరెక్ట్
correct.
ఫ్లేవర్ గాని ఇది bingo.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay,
We'll
one
give her a
point.
half point. Hey, what one? Half.
No, one. What
Dude, I'm being
you
generous.
you got wrong. You got flavor wrong, but still we gave you point.
Which flavor?
I don't know some flavor.
No. Okay, so the third one, she gets a half point. Mummy, half point,
Red
right?
You
Half
never
point.
spoke about half point. First of all, no, I don't agree. I get a full point.
Okay.
Half point, I do not count. So she's 1.5 minus 1, and she is
No, I'm
half
2-1.
point in leading. No.
I'm 2-1.
You have to get the brand at
I'm
least
2-1.
right. No.
అరే అరవకండి.
She got
ఇక్కడ
half.
పెట్టండి.
No. I don't agree.
1 2 సంత తినేసింది.
Oh.
లే. రామ్
I start.
సంతు. లే.
You ate before 1 to 3. I mean, Lay's. Spanish tomato.
No.
Me. Sweet and chili. Yes.
Favorite
West
Exactly.
Indies.
West Indies, exactly. I
Yeah,
know
sweet
that.
and chili.
Oh my god.
West Indies correct.
Yeah.
Hot and sweet chili.
It's not sweet and chili, it's
It's-
hot and chili.
It's not sweet and chili.
It's not sweet and chili.
Hot
So
and
I
chili.
get half point.
అక్క వెస్ట్ ఇండీస్ అంటే ఇద్దరికి హాఫ్ హాఫ్.
No, not
Yeah.
half.
హాఫ్
I told half West Indies.
First of all, who tabbed? First. Oh,
Me.
She tabbed. Okay. Half, and I get half. And they both are ganging up on me, and I'm not getting a point.
I want something to
To
drink.
cleanse your palate.
Yeah.
Listen, this is which one is this? Fifth one.
You can't tell.
I forgot. No.
fifth
Not
one.
like that, huh?
Yes,
Fifth one. Okay, so this is the fifth one.
Okay.
3.
నువ్వు తినకు తింటూ.
Why are you eating?
లేదు ఇది క్యాన్సర్. సంత మళ్ళీ
What
నువ్వే
is this? If you're hungry, you go eat
I know
food
it.
and come back.
నువ్వు తిని.
But this is cheating. I don't.
Mummy, this is Lay's. Chili. Macho chili.
బ్రాండ్.
Max.
ఎస్ కరెక్ట్.
It's Lay's Max Macho chili flavor.
This is depressing. I don't want to play.
Gone. Eliminated.
She threw my thing. She threw. She's bullying me.
ఎందుకు?
She threw off.
Cry.
I'm getting
Go in that
tears.
corner and cry.
Should I keep it?
Huh?
Wait, I can feel it.
Anyways, you're hungry, I know.
Got 3 points.
She got everything, all right.
She got 3 and I'm 1.5.
1.5.
Where's my
Where's
bowl?
my bowl? Okay.
ముందుకు వచ్చేసి.
No, mummy, you say 1, 2, 3 then.
She was
Are you
always
touching
saying
it? Okay.
She was always saying 1, 2, 3. You never listened to her.
3, 2, 1.
She's cheating. I won't play this game. This is cheating.
ఓకే టెల్.
Dude, this is like
Dude.
lemon, tangy lemon or something like that. And
Brand.
wait.
Dude.
This does not seem like Lay's.
This is like.
Bingo.
Dude, this is a
No,
new
no.
flavor. I have.
This is chaat masala. This is like chaat. Like lemon.
లెమన్ కరెక్టే.
Yeah, lemon chaat
కానీ
something.
బ్రాండ్ వేరు.
Lemon. This is super lemon.
Oh my god, this is
అది
so.
కరెక్టే కానీ
Kurkure.
రాంగ్.
Me? My chance. It's Lay's only. It's called chili lemon.
కరెక్ట్.
So
I get a half point.
So you get half, I get half.
3.5. She's still going at 2. Oof. I'm tired of being a winner all the time.
I would like to say something in this.
You have chips all over your hair and
This is completely biased, and my mom is absolutely cheating right now. I tapped first, and she gave her the point.
she can see who's tapping first.
I am tapping
In fact,
first
she's
every
being very
time.
fair.
1. Rachna.
Cornetto's No. Yeah, Cornetto's nachos. Hot. Spicy, hot. Something hot. Dude,
I know.
achari same, no. It tastes like achari only.
Is she done? Are you done?
No.
No.
Are you going to tell or not?
Yeah.
Answer fast. It's
Jalapeno.
Correct.
Cornetto's nachos.
Cornettos. Is it cornettos? Okay, fine. And jalapeno. It's called sizzling, but okay.
Come on.
Okay, you get a point. We lost count. So
No, this is 4. 4-2.
you got 4, right?
Yeah.
How the hell did you get
Because
4?
I had 3. I told this everything right, no? This one.
3.
Don't touch, you touch.
Oh, okay.
I am also going to touch. I touch.
3, 2. Santoshni.
I'm so excited. It's Pringles and it's the pizza flavor,
Right. Correct.
right? Yeah. It's pizza.
Such. I don't eat such unhealthy food. Should know by now.
My mom is literally munching like it's nobody's business. Literally eating everything. So
Wait, one second, I'll just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, how did you just get 4? I got 4, you got 3. So yours is the other one. Mine is 3.5 and yours is Santu was 4. No. She was 2 and then she got 3 now. No, half is for one. No, you were 2 and 4. No, that was the other. No, I was 4. Now she must be equal because you tell me. You look at it on the return. So I told the first one, right? Wait, I opened it. Okay, see, that sorry, one I told. Something. One, this one you told, okay? Santu. Wait, what is it? It is Santu. It's wrong, no, it is 4. I got 4, 3. Okay, I got half point for that. But I told that also right. You have it done. In the West Indies. You have West Indies. That was after. No. Now point side is on the 4. Now. Again, 4 is 3. 4 are the first 2. Mama, half of getting me sorry. Half of 1 is
3, 2, 1. Santu.
it's crunchy munch masala kurkure masala crunch or munch.
Yes.
Whatever.
Correct. Move on.
So currently we are 4 and 4. There is more 2 chips.
2, 1.
What is this? I can't. I didn't even eat.
No, wait. Nachos.
Brand and
Doritos. It's the blue Doritos. Right, mummy?
Nachos correct, Doritos correct, flavor cheppu.
The blue color one?
No flavor cheppu.
I don't know the flavor name.
just you have to tell the flavor, not the color of the chips.
Original.
Yeah, but original only. But what is it? Gonna take forever or what?
I never noticed Doritos. I just know blue and red. I never noticed the
So
flavor.
I know this. I know.
This is blue Doritos. I
Okay,
think I
blue,
should get
wrong,
Wrong,
right?
wrong.
Even then, it's
Next
not.
to Santu.
It's cheesy lover or something, but it's cheesy and it's Doritos red color, maroon red,
Yes.
right?
Cheese ఇంత బాగా వచ్చింది.
In the cheese, how can you not feel the cheese? Like,
feel the cheese.
yeah, feel the cheese.
It's 5-4.
5-4. I knew you guys would think that I'm cheating. Exactly why I told Dad to choose. I didn't know any of this.
I don't touch.
I didn't touch.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. First.
Popcorn.
Santu.
I tapped.
Santoshni.
I tapped. Wow. It's been so long. Wow. This is the Kurkure puff corn.
Yes, right.
No, I don't even know it's kurkure.
You didn't know this?
I thought this is that the orange and white, that cheesy
This
that
is mom's
when we
favorite.
used to eat when we were kids.
We stopped eating all of it. We have a clear winner. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We have a clear winner.
And that's me.
Yes, it's Santoshni. She has to be the winner because it's her channel.
We
I
did
give it
not
away
cheat.
for her.
They'll think it's.
Let's all clap for Santoshni.
They'll really think it's true. First of all, there was multiple scenarios where mom cheated, where I tapped first.
Mom
and
cheated.
Yeah, where I tapped first.
Mom
and
was
she
not
told
even
you-
in the game.
Yeah, she told that it's your turn, which was absolute cheating on her part and your part.
Saying
God.
that you won, but still you wanna start this fight. This is why she has only how many subscribers she has.
Hope you had fun eating the chips.
No, I hated them.
If you guys like this video,
I
please.
was cheated.
No, she's playing the victim. Literally, if you guys can see the video, you will know that I was the victim here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like.
Don't share or don't even subscribe.
And this video, please give
because
a
you
like.
have to watch this kind of content where people cheat. Don't.
Jo,
Don't
are you
be
my
like-
sister or
Don't
what?
be like Bob. Don't be like Santoshini. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna start my channel soon.
Yeah, guys, she's going to start her channel soon. Please subscribe to her new channel and subscribe to
It's
mine.
not yet there on YouTube.
I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis.